Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position where black spans are going downward in this direction and white span going forward in this direction. And we have a knight and we are 1 point up in material, but that is not the case when we come to winning this endgame. White has a single way to win this, and this may look like a fork, immediately winning the queen and winning the game, but that move is not a legal move, as the knight is pinned by the king, and on the next move the queen would just capture the knight because it's just attacked by two pieces. With this in mind, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, the first move that may come to your mind is to play queen takes c5. If you played that move, that would be just a draw. Black would just capture your knight and you have to retreat, and this is just a draw. The other thing you may probably do is you may just try to defend your knight like this, but that doesn't work as well because black would simply push the pawn, and this is actually a draw position. You may just move your knight away like this move, but black would just make a move like this and you don't have any follow-up, right? This is not checkmate, but the queen would just capture that and you have to capture it back, and this is not winning, and this is going to be a draw. So the first correct move is actually kind of a dumb looking move, and that move is queen to g4 check. If you had a chance to see that we are putting the queen under the attack of the enemy queen, which means the enemy queen now can capture the queen. Obviously the enemy queen has to do so, otherwise the other moves don't this is not the solution for the queen. We just capture that and we are going to up a queen, and this is going to be very easy win for us. The other move you may probably think is to play this move, but we simply capture the queen. Black has to capture it back, and we are going to just up in material, and this is going to be easily winnable for us. We are defending this, black spawns are separated, and we are going to just capture it with the help of the knight, and this is actually winning. So this is what would happen, and obviously the king now in this position can't move, so the black queen must take the white queen, our queen. So in this position only one move works, that is with a knight. Obviously we don't have anything to do with the other pieces, and the move is knight takes c5. So this puts black in only one legal move, that is to move the king to b4. So the king moves to b4, and we are going to play knight to d3. Notice how we prevent the king from going to the c5 square, and now the king has only two squares to play to. The first one is to play to c4, and that is the best for black. We are going to just we are going to play knight to e5 and fork the king and the queen. But what if the black king decided to play to a4? Now in this position we don't play this move, instead we push our pawn, and look at this, the king can't escape anywhere, and that is going to be just simply checkmate with a queen on board. So here white has to play to c4, that is why white king has to play to c4. That is the better response for white, for black I mean. So white plays knight to e5 for king, the queen and the king, and when the king moves, obviously we capture the queen, and now this pawn is your chance to win the game, meaning don't push this pawn, right? So that is what you should avoid. For example, if black pushes this, do not rush and push your pawn or do anything with your pawn. Just make your knight close to this and eventually capture these two pawns, right? So that is what you are going to do. If black manages to get to the position, you move, and now here black may just play this move. It's just a random move, but what else can black do? And this is how you just proceed, and eventually you are going to capture these two pawns and promote your own. So this is the solution of the puzzle. For a recap purpose, first we are going to play queen to d4 check. The queen has 3 moves to play to, but this is the best so far because this position is still complicated, so that is the better response for black. And now in this position we capture the pawn on c5 by playing knight takes c5. This puts black king into one option only, king to b4, and we play knight to d3. This puts black in 2 options to play to c4 and a4. If black plays to a4, simply push the pawn, give a check, and that would be just checkmate. If black decided to move the other direction, we fork the queen and the king, we capture, and all we have to do is bring this knight here, capture this pawn, and capture the other, and promote our own pawn to win. So this is the whole variation, guys. Make sure to share the video, comment your thought, right? So I am reading your comments, and your comments are really nice. I appreciate you guys. I really like them, and I'll come up with a new video tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.